Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the computer class. This is chapter 1. We are reading How Computer Works. In our last classes, we have read about the computer system. It is consist of hardware and software. And we have also read about the IPO cycle, that is input, processing and output. Okay. Next, we have read about the input devices. So what are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse is the input devices. CPU is the processing device and monitor is the output device. We have read about the computer hardwares. So computer hardware is a collection of physical parts of a computer that we can touch. Okay. Next we have read about the processing device, that is the CPU. It is called the brain of the computer also. It consists of control unit, memory unit and arithmetic logic unit. And then we have read about the output devices. Output devices, that means where we get the result, that is the monitor and the printer and speaker. Monitor is also called the visual display unit. There we get the soft copy because we can see the answers but we cannot have it any proof, as a proof or as a document we cannot keep it. So it is called the soft copy. Then we read about the printer. It gives the printed copy and that is called the hard copy. Next comes the speaker. We can play music or sound from there. Now today we are starting computer software. When we provide an input to a computer, we also need to tell how to do a particular task. This is done with the help of computer programs. A computer program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions given to a computer to perform a particular task. So computer software is divided into two parts, system software and application software. Now we are reading about the computer software. A computer software is a program. When we are telling input, when we are giving an input, then we are telling also that how to work. Okay, how it will work. So this is called a computer program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions. Why we have to give step-by-step instructions, then only computer will perform particular task. Okay. System software refer to programs that help to run a computer's hardware and application program. Example are operating system, drivers and language translators. An operating system is the master control program that runs the computer. Examples are the Windows, Linux, Mac OS and Android. So system software refers to the program that runs to the computer's hardware. That means a special program is given over there in the hardware and application program is given over there so that it can work properly. And these examples are operating system, drivers and language translators. These things are given to the computer. An operating system is a mass control program. It is a mass means all things are controlled by this operating system. And they are Windows, Linux, Mac OS and Android. In phones we get Android, in computers and laptops we get Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Okay. A driver is a computer program that enables a computer to interact with a hardware device such as a printer, a pen drive, etc. So a drive means it interacts the hardware devices. It enables the computer to interact. That means to work together with the hardware devices. So this is called driver. If a driver will not there, then the computer and the hardware systems devices will not work together. That means we will not get the printout. If we want to get a printout, that means we have to add the computer with the printer. And this is done with the help of driver. Okay. pen drive is also a driver. A language translator is a program that helps to convert an English like language used for writing programs to a language that the computer understands. Language translator, we are typing 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD, but we know that computer has another language. So this is language translator. We translate those letters we are typing, they will translate it into computer's language, and then computer will understand and they will give the answer. And this language is called binary language and is made up of only zeros and ones. You will learn more about in the higher classes. Yes, these things you will read in the higher classes. Next, application software. Application software refer to the program that allow you to perform some specific tasks. Some examples are word processors such as WordPad and Word 2013, presentation software such as PowerPoint 2013, browser program such as Internet Explorer that help one to access and view web pages. Okay, so web browsers programs, that is Internet Explorer, that helps to access view web pages. If we want to see the web pages, browsers will help us. Photo editing, video editing software to edit digital photographs and movies or videos, entertainment software such as interactive video games. So these are the programs done by the application software. Okay, this one you will read. Take terms, short questions will come from here. IPO cycle, input processing output cycle of a computer. Input devices, the devices through which we enter data and instructions into a computer. Processing means changing of input into meaningful information by a computer. CPU, central processing unit. Output devices, the devices through which we see the result of a computer. VDU, full form is visual display unit. Soft copy, the out copy that is seen on the monitor, and hard copy, the output that is printed on a sheet of paper. So these things you will read because this will come as a short note. That means write something about IPO cycle, what is what are input devices, name some input devices, then you have to write that one, printer and keyboard and mouse, like this. Okay, so read this one and this one also to sum up. A computer works by taking input, processing it and giving out. This is known as input process output or IPO cycle. So what is IPO cycle? You have to write this one. A computer works by taking input, processing it and giving output. This is known as input process output cycle. An input device is used to receive data or instruction from the user. Some examples of input devices are keyboard and mouse. So what are input device? What is an input device? An input device is used to receive data or instructions from the user. Some examples of input devices are keyboard and mouse. So this is the question. This is the answer of the question. What is input device? What is CPU? A CPU is responsible for processing the input given by the user. So what is the how a CPU works? A CPU is responsible for processing the input given by the user. What is an output or what is an output device? An output device is used to display the results of processing. For examples of output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. So read the chapter, read these things, take terms, and to sum up is very important because questions will come from here. Okay, till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.